Hey everyone, today we're walking through how to create a form in HubSpot and send an automated email confirmation. Click Marketing in the left sidebar to expand the menu, which reveals all your marketing tool options. Select Forms to open the Forms Management page, where you'll see any forms you've already created, along with the option to build a new one. The page displays all your existing forms in a list view with their status and submission counts. Click Create Form to open the Form Builder Options dialog, which presents you with choices for starting your new form. Click Next, then on the template selection page that loads, scroll down through the available templates until you find the blank option. You'll see pre-built templates for common use cases like contact forms and registration forms, but starting blank gives you complete control. Click Use Template on the blank starter to open the form editor, which loads with a basic email field already on the canvas. This default field saves you a step, since most forms collect email addresses. Click Review and Update in the top right corner to open the publishing panel on the right side of your screen, where you'll see the current publish status and update options. Click the Update button to publish your form, and a confirmation modal appears showing the form is now live and ready to accept submissions. Click View Form to preview how your published form will appear to visitors on their screen. Close the preview modal by clicking the X button to return to the form editor. Click the back button to return to the Forms List page, where your new form now appears with a published status indicator. Click Marketing in the left sidebar again to expand the menu. Click Email to open the Marketing Email Management page, where you can create and manage all your email campaigns. Click Create Email to open the email creation modal, which shows both regular and automated sending options along with template choices. Click the Automated option to set up a confirmation email that sends automatically when someone submits your form, ensuring immediate response to new contacts. After you create your automated email, set up a workflow that triggers when your form is submitted. You'll find workflows under Automation in the main menu. Add additional fields to your form by dragging them from the left panel onto the canvas, and customize the thank you message that appears after submission in the Options tab. Test your form submission and verify the confirmation email arrives before sharing the form publicly. If you need to edit your form later, go back to Marketing, Forms, and click the form name to reopen the editor. That's how to create a form in HubSpot and set up automated email confirmations. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.